Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you a great way of how to cheat in your class. Now, this method is only used when you haven't studied and you don't know truly on what the topic is about. So, what I have here is an Expo Sharpie. This is just an example of like what your notes could be. It's gotta be this size. It has to be about this size to fit in so you can fit the cap in. Now, in order to take the cap out, first of all, when you first get it, take a tweezer like this, and you're just gonna take it, you're gonna push it kinda in like this, and then you just pull it out. Now, I've already done this before, so it's easy. So, when you first get it, it's gonna be kinda hard, but once you get it out, then you'll get used to it. Just keep practicing on taking it out and stuff. So what you're gonna need is a pen, of course. Pretend like, oh yeah, I'm gonna use a pen to be doing my test. Or if you do use a pen on your test, just take the cap off. Now what you're gonna do before you go to school, if you know you have a test, you're gonna write some notes down, and you gotta have small handwriting for this. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna roll it up as so, like this, and you're gonna pop it in, like that. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the cap on to make it imitate as if it is an actual Sharpie. Now all you gotta do, you're gonna put it on, but wait, don't put it in too much because you're gonna make too much noise when you do it. You're gonna pop it in just a tiniest bit, a little bit, up. See? Now that was a bad example. You wanna put it in to the point where it's like, there's a little tiny line on there, and you want to pop it in just a tiny bit. You're going to put this in, again. You're going to put this, and you're going to make sure, if you see that little line, make sure it goes in a tiny bit. Okay, see? It doesn't come out. Now what you're going to do, you're going to be like, oh, look. I don't know the answer, and you got the notes down in your little Sharpie. Now what you're gonna do is take off the cap, and you're gonna put in where these little tiny lines are, and you're gonna try to fit it in as so. And you're gonna take it, you're gonna put it in a position like this, and you're just gonna take it and pop it off, and then you got your notes. And that is my way of how to cheat on a test or a quiz.